We rise by divine design, a prayer for courage, clarity, and sacred action. O divine guide, awaken the strength within us. We gather not as strangers, but as a people called to purpose. Stir the embers of courage in our hearts, that we may rise with clarity and conviction, even when the way ahead feels uncertain. When shadows stretch across our path, remind us that we are not alone. You have placed within us the wisdom to discern, the grace to endure, and the love to lead. Let us walk forward not in hesitation, but in trust, knowing you walk beside us. Teach us to recognize the sacred invitations already present. Not every call comes with thunder. Some arrive as quiet nudges, shared dreams, or the ache to make things right. May we respond not with delay, but with devotion. Grant us wisdom to shape each step with compassion. Let our choices reflect your heart, our words carry healing, and our actions build bridges of hope. May kindness be our compass and justice our path. When resistance rises and the winds push back, anchor us in resilience. Remind us that storms do not define us, they refine us. Strengthen our spirits to endure, adapt, and overcome with grace, together. May we trust the power you've entrusted to us, not power for dominance, but for restoration, for lifting others, protecting the vulnerable, and creating spaces where your light can dwell. Let each day be a sacred act of unity and choice. May we live not by default, but by design, choosing love over fear, truth over silence, and purpose over passivity. Help us honor the gifts you've placed among us. Let no voice be silenced, no vision dismissed, no soul overlooked. May we celebrate the divine spark in one another and rise as one body, one spirit, one calling. And when we falter, remind us of the grace that restores. We are not defined by our missteps, but by our return. May forgiveness flow freely, and may we begin again with humility and hope. As we walk this journey together, may your presence be our constant companion. Guide us, empower us, and remind us that the future is not something we await. It is something we shape, hand in hand with you. Amen. This prayer is more than words. It's a spiritual awakening, a call to remember that we are not waiting for life to happen to us. We are already equipped with divine wisdom, sacred conviction, and the strength to shape what comes next. Together, we rise not by accident, but by intention, rooted in grace and fueled by purpose. Let this be our reminder. We are not defined by uncertainty, but by how we respond to it. Each step we take, each choice we make, is a reflection of the light within and the love that surrounds us. We move forward not in fear, but in faith, knowing that we are part of something holy, something healing, something greater than ourselves.